Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bath lights is probably one of the most exciting ways to turn a simple bath into an underwater adventure. These lights not only make bath time more fun for kids, but they can also help ease any anxiety some children might have about water. Join me as we dive into the world of bath lights, exploring the best options to make your child's tub a magical place. Number 5. Gigilli Whale Bath Toy for Babies and Toddlers. This adorable whale is designed to make bath time fun for your little one. It's perfect for babies and toddlers, turning every bath into an exciting adventure. Forget about constantly buying batteries. This toy features a rechargeable battery, saving you money and hassle. It sprays water and lights up with colorful flashes. We've made sure this toy is safe for your baby. The design prevents water from getting into the battery compartment, ensuring long-lasting fun. It is more durable than other brands. The rechargeable battery provides up to 120 minutes of playtime on a single charge. That's equivalent to many disposable batteries, saving you money in the long run. With its cute whale shape and flashing lights, this toy will capture your baby's attention. It encourages them to enjoy bath time, making it a fun and engaging experience. Looking for a great gift? This Gigilli whale bath toy is ideal for birthdays or baby showers. It's suitable for kids of various ages and can be used in different water environments. What we like? This toy features a rechargeable battery, saving you money and hassle. It also has colorful flashing lights that will captivate your child. If you're looking for a long-lasting and engaging bath toy, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want to make bath time fun and worry-free. What people say? As soon as it touches the water, it lights up and sprays a gentle fountain, which instantly makes bath time more exciting. The colors are so fun and bright, and it keeps her completely entertained the whole time. Colors change like advertised. Number 4. Bath Toys, 8 PCS Light-Up Floating Rubber Animal Toys. Introducing a fun bath toy that lights up automatically when it touches water. These flashing toys will make bath time enjoyable for your kids. Watch as the toys flash brightly and slowly, captivating your child's attention. The color-changing lights add an extra element of fun to their bath time routine. This set includes 8 different animal characters. Each waterproof rubber animal floats in any type of water, perfect for bathtubs, pools, or even a fish tank. Batteries are included and already installed, with a battery life that can last over 3 months depending on use. It's ready to go right out of the box. These toys are the perfect size for babies and toddlers. They're great for improving coordination and imaginative skills, making bath time a fun and educational experience. Give your child a fun and engaging bath time experience. This toy allows them to play independently while you enjoy some quiet time. What we like? These bath toys light up automatically when placed in water, creating a fun and engaging experience. With a variety of animal designs, they're sure to capture your child's imagination. If you want a simple yet entertaining bath toy, these are ideal. They're great for kids who love animals and enjoy a bit of magic during bath time. What people say? The colors are so vibrant and fun, and they just make bath time so much more fun. They have different light features, which I thought was cool. The texture was perfect for bath, and my 6-month-old loved it and watching them. So far so good. Lights up immediately in water. My son loved it. They are water activated and no water will get inside, and they turn off when they are taken out of the water. Number 3. Baby 8-Pack Light-Up Bath Toys. Introducing a set of adorable bath toys designed to make bath time a blast. These colorful toys are sure to capture your child's attention and turn every bath into an exciting adventure. Featuring bright colors and cute animal designs, these toys are irresistible. The playful designs will encourage your little ones to enjoy their bath time, making it a fun and engaging experience. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly PVC, these toys are non-toxic and safe for kids. The smooth, rounded edges ensure that they are gentle and safe for your baby to play with. Watch the magic happen. These toys automatically light up and flash when placed in water, changing colors. The lights turn off when taken out, providing endless fun. This set includes 8 different animal styles, with batteries already installed. The battery life lasts for months, ensuring long-lasting fun for your little one. It's suitable for babies over 6 months old. These toys are an ideal gift for kids, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They help children recognize animals and colors, making bath time educational and enjoyable. Add to cart and give them a try. What we like. The toy boasts cute animal designs and bright colors to attract children. It's also easy to use, lighting up automatically in water. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and safety, this is a great option. It's perfect for parents who want to encourage their children to enjoy bath time while also developing their ability to recognize animals and colors. What people say. Grandkids love these for bath time. Funny to watch light up. Turning off the lights and watching is so fun. They have several different sets to play with. Really for all ages in the bathtub. My little loves the dark and had the best time in the tub. I would recommend these for any age and would definitely gift them. These are the perfect toys for bath time. I was sold the second I read "No batteries," and am still amazed at how well they work just by touching the water. We definitely plan on buying more as needed, and it's a huge relief not having to worry about mold getting inside of them. Just dry them after use and they're ready for the next bath. Number 2. Fill and Splash Submarine Bath Toy. Introducing the Fill and Splash Submarine, a fun bath toy for kids aged 1 to 5. This awesome submarine toy will make bath time more enjoyable. Kids can fill the submarine with water using the yellow cup. Then, they can add floating balls and push the orange button to flush them into the tub. It's engaging and interactive. This toy encourages independent play and teaches cause and effect. It also helps with hand-eye coordination. It provides hours of educational delight. It's perfect for most tubs and showers. The toy is easy to clean and dry, and it's mold-free. It's a great addition to any bath time routine. This mom-invented toy is perfect for ages 18 months to 5 years old. No assembly or batteries are required. The Fill and Splash Submarine has both a utility and design patent. It makes a great holiday or birthday gift. It's colorful, compact, and durable. Give the gift of fun with this amazing bath toy. What we like. This toy features a unique submarine design that will spark your child's curiosity. It encourages interactive play and teaches cause and effect. If you have a toddler who loves to experiment, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want a fun, educational, and easy-to-use bath toy. What people say. My 2- and 6-year-old love playing with this toy. I'm super impressed by how well it has held up for the last 2 years. Cute design. Excellent suction even after 2 years of usage. Easy to use for them. It's been fun watching him grow with it. For example, at 1 year old he couldn't fill the water up on his own and now he's mastered the whole thing. Hand-eye coordination, thought process, and all that good old fun water play. My son's addicted. Number 1. 6-packs light-up floating bath toys. Make bath time fun with these light-up toys. They come in 6 different styles, like boats and rockets. The flashing lights will keep your kids entertained. These toys light up automatically when they touch water. The batteries are already installed, and they should last for months. It's a magical experience for your little ones. Don't worry about water getting trapped inside. These toys have a no-hole design, making them easy to clean. They're designed with smooth, rounded corners for safety. These floating toys are perfectly sized for little hands. They're about 2.4 inches and have no sharp edges. They're safe and easy for toddlers to play with. These toys are great for more than just the bath. Use them in the pool, at the beach, or even as decorations. They can also help spark your child's imagination. What we like. This set features a no-hole design, preventing water from getting inside. The toys light up automatically when placed in water, adding a touch of magic. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-clean bath toy, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want to ensure their child's safety while providing a fun and engaging bath time experience. What people say. The lights are very bright and colorful. They are easy to use and the kids love them. The lights are waterproof and safe for use in the tub. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.